Hey guys, welcome to Helpful Solutions, and this is how to remove keyboard sound on iPhone. So first one is tap the settings app on your home screen, and after that, just simply go ahead and scroll down and select sounds and haptics. Now, under the keyboard feedback section, toggle off the sound option. And guys, take note that this action will mute the typing sounds without affecting other system sounds or haptic feedback. And if you also wish to disable the vibration feedback while typing, you can toggle off the haptic option in the same menu. And there we go. That's how to remove keyboard sound on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, comment down below. And thanks for watching. See ya.